everyone and welcome to Fusion Cuisine. Today I'm here to show you a quick recipe for Thandai. Thand in Hindi means cold and therefore Thandai refers to a cool and refreshing drink. This is very easy and we need just few ingredients and shown here like almonds, pistachios, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, saffron, poppy seeds or known as khaskhas, melon seeds, fennel seeds which is known as saunf otherwise, and sugar as well. To begin, I'll take all the ingredients one by one and mix it until I get a fine powder. Is ready. The flavor is awesome. So let's proceed to the next step, that's boiling milk in the vessel, and you can then proceed with adding the desired amount of mixture to the milk. Don't forget to stir in between. Very soon you'll notice that the texture has actually started to thicken. Switch off the flame once you get the desired consistency. I think for me this was fine because once it comes down to room temperature, it automatically thickens a bit more. We need to refrigerate this again for half an hour or 1 hour. Serve this drink when chilled and enjoy it with your friends, family, in any occasion or festivals, or whenever your heart just desires to drink this. Hope you liked this video and keep watching my channel for more such amazing recipes. I'll catch you up with my next video very soon. Until then, bye. And stay fit and healthy.